Let's take a look here at snapshots. So snapshots allow you to save incremental backups for your volume data. There are three types of snapshots: standard, instant, and archive. And let's compare the functionality across these three. So if you want snapshot scheduling, it's only available in standard. For the rest, it's not. For hyperdisk support, it is in standard. But for the other ones, it also is. But for instance, for some reason, it's only there for certain types. I don't know why, but it just is. In terms of redundancy, you get that both for standard and archive, but not for instance, because it's instant, right? The idea is that you're trading redundancy for snapshots that are a lot faster, okay? In terms of whether it's deleted with the disk, it's not going to be the case for standard or archive, but for instance, it is, right? So that's, again, going to be another trade-off there. In terms of recovery, and this was something that I couldn't fully find out. Like, you could ask Gemini and it will kind of give you an answer, but I had to basically do this to test and observe to get an idea, because standard and instance seem so close together. But for standard, you're looking at tens of minutes. For instance, it's like seconds to minutes. And for archive, it's tens of minutes to hours. And again, that was my own research because the Google Docs was lacking there. But there you go.